Welcome to the Living Healthy with COPD YouTube channel. Subscribe to get daily videos. Also hit the notification bell, and if you like the video, hit the like button. We make videos all about what it is like to live with COPD. The topics range from supplements, diet, exercise, spirituality, medications, and overall healthy lifestyle. Enjoy. With COPD, the less you do, the less you're able to do. Weak muscles need more oxygen, so you can become short of breath just shopping or cooking. Exercise changes that. When your muscles are stronger, daily activities are easier. Number 1, walking. Just about everyone with COPD can exercise. Walking is a great choice, especially if you're just getting started. Do it anywhere, outside, in a mall, on a treadmill. If it seems daunting, add 30 seconds or 10 yards each day. Even a slow pace will do you good. If you haven't been active lately, check with your doctor before starting an exercise program. Number 2, biking. A stationary bike can work well for people with COPD. You can pedal away in the privacy of your home. In a gym or rehab setting, you can find supervision and meet people. Ask the instructor before jumping into a group cycling class, to be sure it matches your ability. As you improve, try a spin outside on a traditional bike and soak up the scenery. If any exercise makes you short of breath, stop and sit down for a few minutes. Number 3, arm curls. Lifting light weights can help you reach a high shelf or lug a gallon of milk. Choose hand weights, stretchy bands, or water bottles to try arm curls. Hold the weights at your sides, palms forward. Breathe in. Now lift toward your chest, keeping elbows down, and exhaling slowly. Slowly lower your arms back down as you breathe in. Build up to 2 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. Number 4, forward arm raises. Hold weights down at your sides, palms facing in. Inhale, then exhale slowly as you raise both arms straight out front to shoulder height. Inhale as you slowly lower your arms. This strengthens your upper arms and shoulders. Build up to 2 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. Start with light weights and go a little heavier every 2 to 3 weeks to challenge your muscles. Number 5, calf raises. Add leg work to your routine and you'll be able to walk easier and farther. For the calf raise, stand 6 to 12 inches behind a sturdy chair with your feet hip width apart. Hold on for balance. Inhale. Now, lift up high on your toes, exhaling slowly. Hold the raised position briefly. Lower your heels back to the ground, inhaling slowly. As you get stronger, do one leg at a time. Work up to 2 sets of 10 to 15 reps.